Yes. What is the reason? The average condition. The average in book also you can see there the average condition. Average condition of weather over a long periods over a long this one over a long period is called climate of its place of a place. Means that's what the average conditions. Average condition of the same climates that found on the weather over a long periods. Over a long period means that's our same temperature, same conditions. If it is in the long periods, that is said to be a climate. A climate zone is a large in area that cover the same climate in the large area. That is said to be the climate zone. It means the particular areas short that is said to be the condition of average condition of climate, that is or the weather is called climate. Shortly, in our language you can say that's about the average condition of weather is known as climate. Average condition, that the average means what one, like here that is about 32 or you can say 30 to 32 or 27 to 30. Isn't it? The average condition is there. Same weather, if there is the found, that is said to be the climate. If the large in area, that's said to be a climate zone. Mainly, what's there is a it concerned here the consistency of the temperature, winds, nature of rainfalls at different seasons. Though the sun is the single source of heat for the earth, single source of the heat, that the earth, heat that comes to the earth, that the single source, that's what one? Sun provides heat to the earth, and there are the different type of the climates on its surface. Yeah, and climate zone is a large area. Already I say that if there is a climate zone, climate zone you must be clear here. Climate zone, what's one? It's that the climate zone is a large area with similar climate conditions. Yeah, it's the climate, you can say the climate zone is a large area with similar climate conditions. Climate condition. Understood? Like here that the climate from the Koshi to the Mechi in Nepal, if you talk about that the Eastern Tarai, Central Tarai, Western Tarai, Midwestern Tarai and Far Western Tarai. I am talking about the tarai. Is that the development is a point of view. Otherwise, you can say that the geographical point of view or the land topography means that the climate that extended according to the tarai hills and mountains that are the difference. Right? Tarai has, or we can say that from the sea level. Here is from the sea level. Here, see. From the sea levels, 60 meter to that the 600 meter. Yeah, that the temperature is hot. Right? That the 600 meter above to that the 3300 meter. Yes, this is the cool. And at the 3300 meter to that the 8000 above. It's the cold is there. Cold climate, here that the cool climate, and there is the hot, warm and not that the hot climate. Now you can say, sir, how this is the hot? The cold, the summer is the hot and wet, where the winter is the cool and dry. Here that the cold and dry, it is that the wet and cool, warm, isn't it? Here that is our dry and cold throughout the years. Slanting rainfall is there. The climate that varies. This is what type of climate are the condition of the tarai. If I ask that the summer is the hot and wet, whereas the winter is the cool and cold or dry. Dry and cold is winters. Means the whole tarai from the east to west. All tarai condition is, oh yeah, so of course there is somewhere the more and less, but condition is the same.
Average.
Yeah, average condition is there. Over here that the western tarai and the eastern tarai and central. Western tarai has winter is wet, where the summer is dry, because the monsoon wind couldn't reach to the western part of Nepal. So there the westerlize wind, that the winter wet is there, because westerlize wind that come from the Thar deserts, Arabian Sea, isn't it? Gobi deserts, and there is what's brought? That the rain fall in the winter. Like here the average condition there is even some of that is a factor that affects the climate or the various factors that determine the climate of a place. The main factors are here. Huh? From here. Some of the factors that affects various factors that determines on the climate change. Among them, we are going to learn that the major four are there. That the latitude, altitude aspect, that the slope of the land, and that the distance from the sea. These are the four major factors that determine the climate change. Yes. The first one, latitude. In previous class or in class 8, 9, the long line is of what one? Climates, latitudes, longitude, all in one, yeah, in class 9. But here that is about, first one is what one? Latitude. And then after altitude. Do you know the latitude of the earth? Latitude of the earth? What do you mean by latitude? Latitude? Yeah. There is the line of, suppose there is a, this is the earth is here. We are prescribing here that is this is the earth. Right? The earth is divided into two hemispheres, that is the diameter. Diameter of the earth is the equator of the earth. Diameter, this. Very good. This line, which is the red line, this is the equator. What's one? Equator. Yeah, equator at the 0 degree. Yeah, 0 degree of the latitude is called, right? That 0 degree means that this equator has divided the two hemispheres. This is the northern hemisphere, that is the southern hemispheres. Means you can say that the equator divides the earth in the two hemispheres, that is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemispheres. Right? And in the degree, if you measure in the degree, then that is about this equator is the 0. Yeah, to complete that the one circle. What's that to complete the circle, that is about together how many degree? 360 degree. Right? But it measures that is about, this is 360 all together that complete the circles. But when that the straight line, it calls that how many degree? It is a 180 degree. What's one? 180 degree. Means that the 180 degree and 180 degree. 360. But when this measures that this one, what is there is 90 degree. So these lines are 90 degree of hemispheres. 90 degree northern hemispheres. This is the 90 degree and 90 degree. That's the south hemispheres. It means 90 from the equator. Here that is our, here I want to write that is our tropical Cancer, tropical Capricorns. Here that is our 23. You can say that's a difference of 5, 15. It is the 20, 35. Here is that 25 is also necessary to write. There is a 25 borough. Right? You can say no, it's a 30 degree, 45 degree. It is the 66 degree. Altogether math 66 degree. Right? And the 90 degree. Similarly, that is about 5, 15, 30, 45, and after there is a 66 degree or half 66 like. Yeah. Likewise, that all equatorials and from the equators that all the latitudes which passes through from there. This is what's one earth we will say this is earth. What's one? Earth. Picture? From here, yeah, this one what's? This is sun. When the rays of the sun, reach to the earth. See here. I just write all the sun. Yeah. Clear or not? Not clear? You raise. It's a difference. I will lie. Altogether you raise here. here. What is here says? It is the way of indication of the ray. Rays of here, that is of this is the short distance on that the latitudes. Shorter the distance, more it gets the heat. Longer the distance, less it heats. Shorter distance, what that it is directly rays falls on the equator. This is the rays is a shorter, so it's that the distance is short, and it's that the heated that the shorter areas, right? And that when it heated, then it's the equators. This equator gets that the more heated this part, both the hemispheres, more heated that one, and that the to the hemispheres, you know, the center and hemisphere or the to the what are the to the hemisphere, of course that the hemispheres, it to the farther distance that the slanting rays falls there is it's a directly falls to the equator, therefore it heated to more heat. It's that the slanting and the large area, slanting rays large area, so it's the less heated, take the longer time to be heated. When the times to start heating, start cooling down. Because time is short, there is a. Here also you can see there is. The farther we go from the equator, the cooler we feel. Farther we go from the equator, cooler we feel. Closer you go to the equator, hotter you feel. Understand or not? From the equators, see here that the temperature that is the 0 degrees. As you move that to the northern, far from the equator, cooler you feel. You close to the equator, you hot will feel, that means get the hot. So here that the climate on the equator is constant, it never changed. To the equators, it never changed. Here said that because the sun rays falls vertically on the equators. Suppose this is the sun, right? That is the earth. If you that the torch light you see there is a, you direct that the shorter, then the ray of the torch never spread. When it is at the top, opposite the torch, spread the light. Does it or not? And you couldn't see. When the closers, it is the yes. Similarly here that when closers in the vertically rays of the sun falls on the earth, so it's the hot end or the heat end. Yes, but the slanting rays towards the pole, yes, to the center, and it's a pole to the pole. To the pole that's slanting and that centers to the equator that are vertically. That is the reason that it's a more or less that the slanting rays of the heat and greater space wide. Therefore, there is a less heated. It is a short and it's a more heated. There is a in the context of the Nepal itself, due to its higher latitudes, now extent that Nepal is mostly cooler than India. Yes, and India is hotter, Nepal is cooler. It is due to the latitudinal difference of the what one? India and Nepal. Our latitude is what, you know? Latitudes. 22 to 29. It's that's about latitude of Nepal, that's about one. Average that's about 22 degree to 29 degree. हामी एभरेजमा मैले मिनेटमा ननिकालेको है र हाम्रो it's the latitude is there. So what's one? Latitude. And the 80 degree to 88 degree. That is our longitude. Average difference 7 and 8 is there. Longitude. हामीले 80 degree 12 minutes to 80 degree 4 minutes कति छ हैन. This is the difference of that. What is that? To the equator, that the vertical rays of the sun falls, therefore you see. Whereas to the pole, that is slanting rays, it needs that it has a wider space to be heated to make it to get heat. So it takes a long time, which it could not have. Therefore, it remain cool. Pole ma किन चिसै रहन्छ त किनकि सनरेज त्यहाँ त्यति पुग्न सक्दैन. अब त्यसलाई पुग्नलाई अब फर्स्ट अफ अल दैट द फर्स्ट हाफ नो रेन फर द सनराइज इज देयर. जब 11-12 बज्छ त्यसपछि सनराइज त्यहाँ पुग्छ. 12 बजे फेरि 2 बजेदेखि चिसो हुन थालिहाल्छ. कतिखेर हिटेड हुने. That's the reason is there. Right? Other that is our altitudes. Understand this one? We have the first one, which this is the number 1A, that is a latitude. What is latitude? First one, the latitude. Second one, our altitude. Second, B numbers, it's the altitude.